Weather forecasting. Computer based weather forecasting depends on accurate collection of data from weather stations, airports, satellites, different sensitive devices which are situated on huge towers and buildings, etc. All around the world. Computer depends on building a model of hot cold air, dry and humid air interaction, and how these interactions are affected by land and sea, temperature, region, and so on. Once this is done, the data is collected on atmospheric phenomena over a region. The computer model then generates a forecast of how the air will change. The necessary parameters can never be measured with total accuracy, and it is possible to make a perfect representation of all the factors that affect weather. Some business, however, are so dependent on the weather that they need constantly updated information. SPARCO, Sparco Weather Forecasting Department offer analysis of live weather data and provide help to make business decisions based on weather forecasting. Weather overcasting provides weather forecasting and design decision making support to farmers and flight scheduling, etc. Home. Nowadays, many people have computers at home and it has become a necessity. Electrical home appliance used in home. Children play games, keep track of the stamp collections, draw pictures, play music, view movies, and do some sort of reading and writing according to their needs. A typical domestic system consists of a PC with a relatively small hard disk, printer modem, and CD-ROM drive, etc. People can utilize computers for keeping records, making home budgets, using electronic mail and internet services to learn and increase their knowledge. The uses of microprocessor technology in manufacturing of electronic home appliances like microwave, air conditioning, washing machine, sewing machine, etc. have completely changed our way of life. Computer assistance simplifying our work practices. Mostly people think that computer have a brain and can think and decide what to do. This is not true. They are primarily machines, whereas the real thinking is done by human beings who feed the computers with information and program them to perform different operations. There are many reasons for using computers, and some of these are listed below. Computers can work much faster than humans work. Computers never get tired or need a rest. Computers can do jobs that it would be dangerous for a human to do. Computers can store large amount of information. Computers can retrieve information very quickly. Computers never lose or misplace information. Computers linked through communications systems offer major personal and business benefits to users like speed, consistency, precision, and reliability, etc. Speed. Computer can perform calculations or process at a very high speed in a fraction of a second, like nanosecond or even picosecond. Computer can perform complex calculations, recall stored information, transmit information from one location to another, and move objects around a computer screen almost instantaneously. Consistency. People often have difficulty repeating their actions exactly. Indeed, doing something once is not nearly as difficult as doing it the same way and with the same result repeatedly. Computer excels at repeating actions consistently, whether using a spell checker built into a word processor or playing multimedia animation. For training purposes, a computer will carry out the activities the same way every time. Precision. In addition to being fast and consistent, computers are extremely precise that they can detect minute differences that people cannot see.